chocolate covered strawberries. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited, guys. So here I have my wash and dry strawberries already. I have my candy coloring here, okay? I have some vodka. I have some white chocolate. I have some regular chocolate. I have some toothpicks. I have here some edible resin dust, different shades of gold. I will decide which one I'm going to use, but you could use whichever you like. All right. I have here some a spatula. Here, guys, I have edible gold leaf. This stuff is very expensive. That little package is $50. That I have some candy cups. Here, I have a scraper just in case. I have here some candy pearls and sugars that I'm going to be mixing together to create whatever I want, but you could choose whatever candy you like, guys. And I have some bowls here to melt my chocolate. I have some gift wrap, and I have some, I don't know, some basket scrunchies because I'm going to be creating a little box. Okay, look at my strawberries. They're beautiful. And I use this to mix my vodka with my dust and some brushes to paint on my strawberries, right? And here I have a candy mold to make some letters, right? And now I am cleaning my candy mold with vodka. So when I put my chocolate in there, it be still shiny. Now I'm melting my chocolate. I'm putting it in the microwave 30 seconds at a time and continue to stir until it melts completely. Now I'm pouring it in a Ziploc bag, and I made a little tiny hole on it, and now I'm filling up the letters that I want. And here I'm taking the air bubbles out by banging it, and I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it set. So now we are going to prep our strawberries with our toothpicks, which are going to help us hold our strawberries in place. Now I have melted my white chocolate, and here I am dipping my strawberry. It's hard to see. I know, guys. I'm sorry. Next time I use a different color of bowl, right? But pretty much you cover your whole strawberry and let it rest. And while it's still a little wet, if you want to add candy or sprinkles at this time, you add it then so it could stick to it. If you're going to leave it all white, of course, you let it just dry up. Right? And this is where you become creative. Sorry about my hands got all messed up, but this is for my household. But if you're doing it for somebody else, of course, just wear some gloves, right? And get super creative. So here, these had dried up completely. And now I have some melted chocolate in my Ziploc bag. As you can see, I just cut a very tiny little hole, guys. Make sure it's cut very tiny, but your chocolate still could squeeze out. And I'm drizzling. But here, again, you get creative. You could do circle motions. You could do upside down, the opposite way. It's up to you, guys. This is where you get creative. Just play around. You never know what you come out with, right? I love doing chocolate covered strawberry. As you could tell, I'm very excited, right? So I usually, when I do a technique, I let it dry for a little bit before I add the next color or chocolate to it, right? So now I'm adding little dots of melted chocolate to glue my letters. Which with this, I'm going to try to spell I love you. But you could do whatever you like, guys. But look at how nice and pretty they are coming along. Right? I'm very, very excited. So next, we are going to start building our tuxedos. Again, our white chocolate is dried up. And now we are dipping it side to side to create that tuxedo look. And scrape off a little bit of the bottom and let it sit and let it dry. Next, this strawberries, I am going to be dipping the whole thing in the chocolate because those I'm going to be painting in gold. And I find when it's dark chocolate to paint gold, it comes out better. So now this is dry up. Now I'm coming back to my tuxedo and I am drawing my little bow, my little cute bow. I love doing this part as well, as you could tell. And guys, just take your time and you will get it. I promise you, right? And then you add 3 little buttons to it. And voila, you have your tuxedo, guys. You got your tuxedo. So now I'm putting my edible dust on the little container and I'm going to paint on my dark chocolate with the paintbrush. You use whatever paintbrush you like. And you just stroke the same direction, guys. Try to stroke your dust the same direction all throughout. Okay, if you could do it upside down. And here you see some of my chocolate came off from the bottom, and that's because I forgot to buy parchment paper. Make sure you have parchment paper to set your strawberries or they will stick to your plate, and you don't want that. All right, so here I am using my Vodka. If you have lemon extra, you could use lemon extra as well. And it's the same dust, just mixed with vodka. And as you could see, it turned a different color. And now I'm going to start dabbing like doing like a splash effect. You see that? And you continue to do this until you get it to the point that you want your strawberries to look. As you can see. And, you got to be patient, guys. So take your time. Give it strawberry the love that it deserves individually. Right? But I promise you, the end result, you're going to love it. So here I am sprinkling some of my edible disco glitter on it, also in gold. So now I'm grabbing my white chocolate and I'm adding just a little bit of the pink color. Those colors go a long way, guys. So just do a little bit at a time till you get the color that you like. And here I am drizzling. You could let these strawberries go just like that, or you could add other colors like I'm doing. I like that pink. I love that baby pink. It's so pretty. So here I'm doing different strokes on it. Again, it's your choice. And just get creative, guys. This is like, I feel like a little kid in kindergarten, drawing. I enjoy doing this stuff completely. Look how beautiful they look. Look how beautiful. And these are final result, guys. As you can see, look at how pretty the different techniques. During the year, I'm going to be doing different videos on chocolate covered strawberry for different seasons. I love doing these. I have a ball playing with it. And look at how pretty that is. Okay. Again, you play with your design and come up with your own stuff if you like or do. Here, as you can see, I created a little heart with the pearls. Here, I combined the white and the dark and also some of the sugar. And here I created a box, guys. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, like you bought it from a shop. You hear me? Look how pretty that is. If you give this to a gift to someone, they're going to be so impressed. You could add roses to it. You could add other candies. I mean, the possibilities are endless. All right. Again, guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel and being loyal. I love each one of you. And if this is your first time in my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Okay, I will see you the next time. Thank you very much. Have a great day.